clouds and the storm is here. And also, there is rotation just a few miles north of us, spinning at around 80 miles per hour, which is very bad. But luckily, it's not going to hit us. Yeah, that's crazy. The storms are getting scarier over the years, I've noticed. Here comes the wind. Oh no. Yep, so when that wind hits, it's going to make it... Look at that. The bamboo pole has been modified. Okay, the wind. Yo. Here comes the wind. The storm's almost done, but we have a second one coming later, so it'll be all in the same video. First storm is already done. Now we just gotta wait for the second storm. It's almost here. It's raining lightly. I think that's a shelf cloud. Hey. It's moving kind of fast, but look at all that. Cloud looks crazy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at it. Wait a minute. What are we doing? That's got it. Yep, there it is. That is a shelf cloud. Look at the speed that thing is going at. Actual heck, this tree just fell down or something. Right here, like right now. I don't know what's going on here. But look at that. Look at the rain. It's going to get really heavy. But that tree literally just fell down. Oh, that's not wind. That's rain I'm hearing. Okay. There it is. Oh, no. Look at that. I don't know why, but I think there's a floating donut. Okay, I don't know what that... Okay, yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. Over there, that tree could possibly fall. Okay, the storm is finally done, so that's going to be the end of the video. But if you like these storm videos and like other vids similar, then subscribe if you want to.